Can a computer write, direct, and produce a blockbuster film? Welcome to the era of AI-generated movies, where scripts, actors, and even visual effects are powered by algorithms. In today's video, we explore how artificial intelligence AI is transforming the film industry. Faster scripts, realistic digital actors, voice cloning, and deepfake performances that blur the line between real and artificial. From tools like Sora and Runway Mall to AI voiceover platforms and 3D scene generation, we'll uncover how studios are already using artificial intelligence to cut costs, boost creativity, and rethink everything from trailers to entire scenes. Have you ever wondered how movies are created? In this video, we'll dive into the most innovative technologies used in film production, including everything from script writing tools like Sora and Runway Mall to AI-driven voiceover platforms and 3D scene generation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn about how AI is making movies a whole new level of creativity. So, will AI replace human jobs or bring about a new kind of cinema altogether? Here's the breakdown. Top AI tools for filmmaking. First are AI-generated movies. Deepfakes in cinema and their ethical concerns. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop on the AI revolution.